Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying down simple guides so proportions stay steady. Draw a vertical center line and a light horizontal for eye alignment. Then place a large oval for the body and a smaller circle for the head because these shapes control silhouette. Once done, lightly mark wing positions and a rounded triangle for the beak to indicate angle and size. Make sure to keep strokes loose. Early corrections are easy and prevent stiff final lines later. Now refine the blocky guides into polished forms. Soften the head-to-body transition into a teardrop belly so the penguin reads as one cohesive shape. Place eyes slightly above center, draw the white belly patch, and sketch flippers hugging the body. These decisions create character and posture. Add short webbed feet under the oval base to ground the figure. Use thicker lines where shadow or overlap occurs and erase guideline remnants so shapes become clean. Finish by committing to final lines and subtle shading to sell volume. Darken outer edges while keeping the belly and face lighter to preserve classic penguin contrast. Then add simple hatching under the flippers and belly to suggest rounded form. Once done, refine small details. Highlight the eye, define a gentle beak curve, and clean the foot spacing. If something looks off, reduce the head size slightly or tweak the beak angle. One key troubleshooting tip. Compare left and right features to the center line and correct symmetry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.